Alright, everyone, we are live again, I think. I don't see the video yet, but now I do. Looks good. So, let's go back to our project here. We are developing, music, very important, and then some screen brightness, which also makes my face brighter, as you can see. Awesome. Now where's the music? It just stopped, but it's coming back. So, the latest changes, what did I do? Let's restart this. So that we get the controls. I have disabled the automatic camera movement, because now I want to turn things into a game. For the planetarium, we want to connect tablets to it so that the audience can actually use tablets that are spread in the room to navigate up and down, right and left, and so on. So here I'm noticing some issues with the shadow, I would say. As you can see here, there's a black dot. That's probably this peak, and then there's a whitish dot, so maybe at some point we have to work on that again. You can see how when we scale the terrain, the dots move further apart, and yeah, of course that's not very nice. At least it reflects it's always on the same side, it's not symmetric. I thought for a second it was symmetric. Yeah, maybe we can do some optimization at some point. Maybe we can add some more faders to find good settings here. But maybe it's also fine for now. The thing is, we cannot have we have no proper way to move around right now. We have no angle. We are looking directly from the top to the terrain. So we move up actually, because the terrain feels to be above us. Here the anti-aliasing is doing a great job actually, so it makes things much more smooth, but also takes a big toll on the computation, because we're effectively doing everything 4 times, 9 times, or even 16 times. Like, we're just super sampling. If we do this half dome, if we disable half dome rendering, it looks cool, but yeah, what we're now trying to do is we want to add some buttons so that we can control the camera, and later these buttons can be mapped to signals coming from a server, and then other devices will be able to send signals to the server, and the server dispatches them to the visual renderer, which would be, or like the AV control page actually. So we are doing a few intermediary steps, but that provides us with a lot of flexibility. And I just realized this looks like an alien. Look, these are the eyes, and here that's the mouth, maybe a beard or something, chin, shoulders, hair, eyebrows. Looks really cool. And now I'd like to move around. So let's implement it. Nice alien. I have to save this. Alien. Maybe I'll use this as my Telegram profile picture. Oh no, I have such a cool profile picture here. Anyways, I think I'm going to replace it. It's time for a new one. So, yeah. I don't know if people can even recognize it, but I like it. Alright, controls. Oh, we have the same issue again, but I think it's fine. Settings, video, streaming, common FPS values. There's no, I mean, there's probably advanced settings for the stream when it's not running, but we don't care. It's fine. So we need controls. We need one to go left, one to go right. We should look at the... Yeah, maybe we can reorder. Oh, actually this is much better than this. Maybe I should use this as a profile picture. Or at least save it. Alien. Full dome. Okay, now after doing all these things, it's 9 o'clock now, so let's try to provide spacecraft controls. And the first thing I'd like to do is to go into Terrain Renderer and rearrange the pages. I want rendering first, colors second, spacecraft controls third. It's tabs, controller. Rendering first. Colors and spacecraft controls. And then, is it possible to auto-select like what is, can we choose like a default columns, color, tabbed pages, spec without controls, rows and columns 100. Controls. Alright. How does this look? The tab pages. Tab. This one. Why is he complaining? Cannot make use of the add, I think. Fix with AI. Yeah. Well, no. So here we use tab pages, and tab pages has an active page. Oh, come on. And active page is being set to 0. And here I think we could also say in the specs, tabbed spec, that we say spec boot initial page. And now this obviously doesn't exist, but we can do it. initial page. String. Tab pages, initial page. String, and now we got this control spec. And where else do we have to change it? In the receiver maybe. Tabbed pages. Spec. Page specs, initial page. So the thing is, in order to be backwards compatible, we cannot add an argument which is not at the end. What's this problem here? Initial page is missing and type page specs. Initial page. Tab specs without. I think this is the problem. Then we have this problem. No, it should be fine. Page specs. Page specs. Spec. Page specs. Maybe it's working. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's undefined, so tab pages without controls, initial page. Let's call it initial page index, and the same here. And now, oops. Now we still not working. Let's look into the logs. Undefined reading update. Okay, that's not the problem. Here we got prop controls expected object got undefined in area controls undefined tab pages. This one. Type check failed for prop. Maybe initial page index. Okay, now we have initial page index. Looks good. And we say initial page index. Oops, is 2. Wonderful. Now we end up being here immediately, which is great. That was annoying before, and now we have a solution for this. Awesome. Then we can add buttons. Let's see. Button left. This left fader. So we are using buttons here, and as long as you press them, so it's like things like this. This is a button, and as long as you press them, we want to propulse. So yeah, we should keep them. Left. Yeah. Go left, down, down, up, right. roll amount. Do we have roll anywhere left? Yes, here. Now the buttons. No, it's not a confirm button. It's a normal button. And yes, please, please import this. So let's see, fader, button spec. Yeah, these are the only ones we need. Aha, and it's not called button, it's pad. So button does not exist, that's why he couldn't fix it. Pad spec. Up and right. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Of course, that's not possible. We need something like we need to start at 20. So let's do it like this. Left. I remember. Let's move this to our constructor again so that we can spread it more, like using consts. Here, control, let's call this, spacecraft controls. Here. Yeah, let's put these things into a block so that we can reuse consts and so on, so that these are scoped. Okay, so left is 20. Top is 0. Height should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 20. So it should be 60. Or maybe we say height 30. And width 50 maybe, or 20. Not happy with this, but anyways. And then, we could also have a joystick using a dot controller, but then we cannot map it to the physical controls. So tea, chai. No tea, no caffeine. So yeah, this, and here we just define them. And then left, and then how do we place them? We say left plus width, top with high, down button. Oh, sorry, that was wrong. We have top plus height, and here we have the down button. We have height times 2, that's correct, but also here go up button. Go up button is at the top, and then here, and this is also wrong, top, Go up, go right. Yeah, now we have these buttons. Honestly, they could be a bit bigger, but if we're maximized like this, it's working fine. So now we have our buttons, and even for testing when we are not viewing the console. Let's yeah, actually we should do it like this. This is perfect. This way we see the console and we have like the right proportions. And now let's do something when we click here. So I think this one, it gives us on press and on release. So, but we can also check pressed. So we can just check pressed, and then here in our render function we can do movement. Maybe like this. Here we calculate the make movement, make spacecraft movement. We could move spacecraft into a separate class, and then we could even switch between like the manual spacecraft and the autopilot, but for now we will keep it here. Yeah, sustain, make movements. Do we put sustain here, or do we put the clock here? The clock. Oh, we have this. We have the clock there. We have this clock. Get sustain. He's complaining because we're not using it. Sustain. What does sustain do again? Exponent. So we need the delta. Tick delta. This is more important right now. And then we say something like this punkt velocity go left button, get state. Yeah. This punkt go right button minus go left button, get state. Pressed. Is this a boolean? Yeah, so he's complaining that we cannot yeah, oh my god. Damn, can we like do this? False. Number. False. Parse int false. Okay, how to convert bool to 0 or 1 for arithmetics in type script, and this is context independent, so let's remove this. Number bool value. Okay, well, we were close. Number false and true. Perfect. So not int, not number small, but number big. Number. This y tick delta s, and then of course add, and also this velo. Now we do need the sustain because we need to like rescale. And here, of course, we need some special value, not 0.1, but let's say, oops, 0.5. Alright, looking good. Let's try this. Nothing is moving. Something is wrong. So let's log something. Oops. Pardon. So sustain is almost 1. We're logging sustain. Well, at least we're seeing that we're inside here. But I'd like to see this velo entries maybe. Oh no. This velo yeah, slice maybe. 0, 0, 0. Now, okay, velocity increases, but it's very little. It doesn't seem to me that we're moving at all. And also scale and add, so we get very little values here. And we get very little values here. So maybe we should multiply this by speed. Oops. Speed. This point. Flight speed factor. Fader. Get value. And this one should be 1 and should reach from 0 to 500. So let's say it's 100. Let's try again. Still the same. And it falls down to 0 extremely quickly. So I think we're doing something wrong. And again, very low values. I'm not sure if anything is moving at all. Anyways, let's try just to verify adding something. Velo sustain. This looks good. Sustain. And how is sustain defined? Does it mean okay, exponent? This means like we go every second we go down to 0.5. We have, if we have 0.5 here, we lose half of the speed per second. That's a nice amount, it seems to me. So why? Aha, we're not using speed here yet, so no surprise. Let's see if things get better now. You can see speed is much higher now. It's like 1 point something. But still we don't have any effect on our actual position, which is weird. What are we doing with our position? Are we doing anything with it? Also we are still multiplying this velocity, but it should move by 1 per second. So are we using position somewhere? No, we're not using position somewhere. So that's the problem. We're not using it anywhere, so but we should. We are using rotation, so we should bring this down to the rotation. And then we should also set position. Send it to the shader. And now, still nothing happens. Okay, let's log our pulse instead. Well, oh yeah, pulse is actually changing. So let's check in the shader whether this is really called pulse or maybe position. It is called position. So again, no surprise. Position. Oops. Position, rotation. So why don't we call this position as well? And now let's check it. Yes. Although it stops too immediately. So for some reason, and up and down, go up, go down. And up and down should be forward and backward or something. Oh, forward. It is right actually. And if you think about planetaria, that's the front. So if we say go forward, go backward, up, oops, go, forward, go down, we can remove these things clear from the context. Forward, ooh, little lag, right, left, forward, backward, left, right, awesome. So now for some reason it's not really working yet. Oops, backward, forward, spacecraft controls, up, down. Okay, so it's not. Maybe there's an issue with this fade. I think there is. No, there's not. Yeah, I mean the reason is because we have to do plus here, and now this one should be much less. So we haven't been adding look at this. Yeah. I like it. Forward, backward. That's nice. Like, that's awesome. And it's too fast still. We should set it to 5 on a scale from 0 to 10 or something like this. Still really fast, but at the same time we are really close to the thing, so if we I think if we present this in the planetarium, they will love it. This is going to be a game changer. Oh, for some reason this is still turned on. Okay, it happens when I leave with the mouse. I have to click. Is this also... yeah, I have to fix this immediately. Like, or would be nice. Let's oh yeah, I just remembered something. Okay, oopsie. Yeah. I hope nobody's watching this. I really have to make sure I'm not showing my private things when streaming. Anyways, the messenger. The messenger. Have you seen Telegram? Telegram. Oh, it's the worst. Anyways. I think we did well. We have these controls now. I think we need rotations to like rotate left, rotate right. And then also look up and look down. Up and down. Left and right, up and down. Looking up and down. Okay, let's add these buttons for looking up and down. And I think we will hit an issue with our vectors, and we would probably need some refactoring. So, private, rotate right, pad, rotate left, or CV, counterclockwise. And then pitch up, pitch down. Yeah, this is yaw, so maybe we call it like this. Yaw left, yaw right. But we don't need to roll, or actually, that is, we are rolling. Roll left, roll right. And then this one is, I think this is pitch. And then, yeah, and then the only thing we don't have is yaw. 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 So, roll left, roll right. What do we do in these cases? We need a rotation velocity. So private your velo. Roll velo. Pitch velo. Pitch velo. Maybe we treat pitch a bit differently because we want to be able to look exactly down and we want to be able to look exactly forward, but we don't want to have a we don't want to, like, if we're looking up, we don't want to hit a limit which will make the camera stop immediately. So maybe instead of having here velocities, we will have pitch target. That's a better approach for pitch, I think. And then we need private a roll, which is 0, and from that the front side and up will be calculated. Position in velo, that's for the movement, that's fine, that will stay. And here we might need to update stuff, front side and up, that kind of calculates based on roll, velo and pitch target and so on. I mean, up can stay. Pitch target, no. Well, yes and no. Let's see. Let's work together with the AI. Maybe we. Okay. So the buttons. Let's go right button and so on. Go left button. So we need to add them. So this point, row left. It should be here, left, top, oops, and left, top, that's fine. We should give them a different color, you know, and here another color, and this these should really be placed somewhere else. They should be placed, yes, like this. Maybe like this. Oh my god. It's very wrong. Awesome. reinschauen. Awesome. Okay, left works, the others don't. So the question is, what is happening here? Button width. And here we also need... What happened here? I thought we renamed it, but apparently we didn't. So left top button width. Yes. Okay, awesome. Now we still need to add them here. Roll right, this works. Pitch up and down. They don't work. We have left plus width times button width. But here we actually have height. And here also height. And here also height. So now we have these buttons. Looks good. Pitch up, pitch down, roll right, roll left. So movement. Make movements here. Yeah. So roll velo. Yeah. Number. Okay, and then we need acceleration. Roll acceleration. We need roll acceleration. Roll speed. Take that as this roll acceleration fader point value. Let's put this down as well. I mean, or not sure. Flight speed. This is wrong. This should be called acceleration fader. Private roll acceleration fader. It's fine. It should be at 0, but should be at 30 as well. And then we have roll speed fader. No, this roll friction fader. And yeah, obviously we need different values here. Alright. Roll acceleration fader. Okay. Roll friction fader. Doesn't have the right offset yet. Like this. And then, of course, the color should be different. Let's give this something like this. More red. Whatever. It's just for readability. Doesn't have any specific semantics. Oh, but actually it has. Look at this. It's like connected to these two. Oops. So we do have the roll right, left, and now we need to use them. So let's check this out. Roll fader. roll friction, roll acceleration fader. This one we are using already. Roll speed we're not using yet. Should be here. Roll speed. And then we would also want to scale roll velo. And then here we multiply this, so we get roll. But now we kind of have the question about the we need to set these values here up and so on. And also here in this case we have to do scale and add, like 3, scale and add. Velo. Velocity. Velo. This side exactly. And then we call this yeah, side, and then we just use this side speed. Nice. Let's check whether this works. Yeah. So side speed works. Forward speed and backward speed. It kind of works, but I'm also skeptical because as soon as we can pitch and yaw and roll, we would be able to fly everywhere. So this is not exactly what we want. I think the velo, we're kind of moving above the terrain, so this should be a vec2. Oh my god. And then oh, it should actually be derived from the roll, the whatever we add to velo. So side vec. And then this one, yeah, side vec, but it's not this side node. It's not this. It's actually, it has to be calculated from the sine. So it's a roll velo and roll. All this happens before, so that we can have side speed depending on side vec depending on x and y. Z is 0. So we say math.cosine math sine then we have the I think something like this. I don't know why it's not making completion. What is it complaining about? Side way and forward. So we add this stuff to the velocity. That's really clever. This is our roll. And then okay, let's see. So we move right. We roll right. And then if we roll even more, we start going down, more and more down. So we need to calculate the rotation matrix accordingly. So let's handle the yaw things. Target yaw. This dot target pitch target pitch target number. This boom pitch down boom crest minus. Come on, where are my completions? I cannot code without completions anymore. Pitch up. Oops. Number. Pitch up. Press. Weird. Where are my completions? Really? Like, what's going on? And then pitch. Something is wrong with my computer. Maybe it's really hot. Or maybe some process is going bonkers. Yeah, OBS is going bonkers for some reason. What's wrong with you, OBS? Come on. Is it the memory? What other things do we have with a lot of memory? What can we close? Certainly not music. We can close all our messengers. Also this. Maybe we're freeing up some space. Yeah, looks better now. Maybe it's also because my laptop was overheating, so it was reducing the clock rate. Anyways, let's finish this. So we can change the pitch target, pitch speed, pitch acceleration, pitch speed fader. Pitch roll acceleration fader. Pitch speed fader. And pitch coach fader. This is some value between 0 and 1. Pitch speed. Yes, he did correct. Pitch target. Oh no, pitch target. Oh, yeah. So we also need a pitch, of course. And talking about pitch, I think we also need to add this to these things here. Wow, we introduced a lot of new pitch fader and also pitch approach speed. So let's make sure the placement is correct. It is not. It should be this, and it should be 60, and it should have a different color. Maybe blue. Baby blue. Cool. Like this. It's working. But pitch speed is too small. Roll acceleration. Roll acceleration. Why is it too low? I mean, it doesn't matter. Let's just crank these values up. Let's say that's 50, and there's like 180 or something like this. It makes people think it's degrees, so now it's rotating faster. Looks good. Pitch up and down doesn't have any effect yet. Pitch approach. Pitch approach. Let's say 0.5. Well, now we need to calculate the front, side, and up. So the thing is, this is not correct. So we already got our. So the thing is, really, like, I think, yeah, the side vector is actually right. This is the only one that's right. And then the front vector, it depends on the front depends on the pitch. So pitch target. The pitch target is bigger than mud, and we can only do 90 degrees. So we can have 0 here. Awesome, looks good. And now we say Z cosine pitch looks good, and then up should be, maybe we just use wake 3 first in order to calculate up, and it should all be okay. There's already something wrong. Switch up, switch down. Nope. Looks cool though. rolling. Yeah, awesome. Glitches. Let's experiment with the glitches. We're always thankful for glitches, because glitches are crazy. That is a regression here. This is a regression. The fact that we get this issue here. I thought we are yeah. The thing is that we're not. Oh yes, we are doing. The thing is we're not doing the last step anymore. Sure. Oh, actually we are. Yeah. But at the same time, what was the fix back then? What was the fix? I think the fix was to damn, I don't remember. We bring it down to the terrain surface. Ah yeah, the fix was to do STF here instead of just doing SD. So I think we are already doing it. Anyways, we have different issues here right now. So pitch originally, pitch is 0, pitch is 0. So sine should be 0 2. So we say we completely look up. We completely look up, and I think that is correct. Let's set this to 1. Oh no, not a good idea. Let's try to lock this front vector. Zero, zero, 1. Front. Maybe this is not the front, but this is supposed to be the up vector. And then the front vector is the other one. Let's try to write it. Okay, it's kind of good, but it's not really good, because I wanted the things to be always moving to the right. So even if I rotate here, I now would like to move even more. Like, it seems to me that it's almost doing twice the Maybe we're rolling into the wrong direction. Roll right. No, it's fine. I mean, imagine this is the center of attention. Rolling right goes to the right, rolling left goes to the right. That's fine. But maybe we have to reverse this roll when we calculate the side break, because we want to compensate. So yes, that looks good. So we can roll. And I think, yeah, so our velocity stays the same, that's good. And we can roll in any direction. Cool. I don't like that the roll is so, I mean, the roll friction, it seems to be higher. Like, look at this. This has far more flow than the roll. The roll comes to a stop immediately. So let's see what's going on there. Roll. Okay, I can see. Of course. Friction. Friction. So the thing is, we have a friction for the velocity too. I cannot find it right now. Forward speed. Side speed. Aha, here, sustain. Aha, okay. So we don't use the friction. The velocity, the friction factor, we don't use it. But we should. So instead of using the sustain here, we use sustain. Friction scale it out. So first, and then we add it. So this is the that's good. So it should be 0.1 would be better. And then roll shouldn't be so. Okay, so maybe 0.5 should be the max. And 0.1 should be the point. And 0. Go back to 5. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, much better. Now we get the same wide. Now push up and down. Still doesn't work. For various reasons. First, Well, it is very frustrating. Maybe let's do like this. It's problematic. It does something weird. So the roll works, and that works too. Pitch down, pitch up, doesn't work. So let's look into this. And also pitch approach. So the thing is, we say pitch approach fader value, but we also have to multiply with tick delta. Now it's kind of, it's better. Look. And this is the thing what I meant. We're hitting this. Okay, let's go in here to the other direction. We're hitting the max, but we're kind of going there smoothly. And I wonder, maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not even that bad. Maybe something else going wrong here. Maybe we're too close to the terrain. But I don't believe that either. I'm not sure what's going on here. So I'm so in love with the musician. I love musicians. Okay, so let's figure this out. So this is the up vector. The side vector, does it work? Apparently, because we're getting the right rotation. And now after the rotation on like around the z-axis, we would like to find out the right rotation, or find out how much we look up. So if z is non-zero, so if we change it, it starts with 0. If it's non-zero, so if it's 90 degrees, we want to get 1. So I think the effect. I think I know what's going wrong. The up vector is supposed to point into the other direction. So we can use the side vector. Something like this. It's looking to the side. It's not good. And also, think this is kind of weird. I think we need faster pitch approach. Actually, this should be 1. And it should be 0 if we're changing. If this pitch is not, if it's 0, this should be 1, which is correct. And then if we have 0 here, and we want 0 for sad, so we have 0 here. Now if we slightly increase it, if we're slightly looking up, we want the up vector to go a little bit backwards. And the pitch, I think this is correct. Now, what's this? Here we call it calculating front. Front, no, this is front. Up. Oh, what is up, what is front? No, front, and this was up. So let's go back. Well, let's try it. But I think it's also not correct. Yeah, it even starts wrong. Okay, this works. And now the pitch. I mean, what do we even want to achieve? Leaves the question, in which direction do we want to pitch? I guess we want to pitch into this direction. But, come on. Is it affecting the... like if we pitch here, and if we rotate, weird stuff is happening, guys. So, let's increase the steps. See what's happening. Yeah, something is wrong. Can we see what's going on here? Well, we get some kind of rotation around something. But that's not what we want. Side. Maybe I have to sleep. Look at this again tomorrow. I'm getting tired, and this is like a brain fuck. But I love this music. She's called, I think she's called Flower Face. It's like, it hits me deeply because it's about this unfulfillable craving you can have.
You said I love you so much, baby, won't you stay? So it goes,
and also
so it always goes.
I like the melodies, the chords, and her voice.
So it goes, so it always goes.
Pitch approach. Let's fix this first. I want to
Have
have immediate changes and not this. Come on, what's going on? Looks nice though. Sometimes the glitches are the nicest.
since you've been gone.
Now we
And
can
his hands,
rotate
they
the color
feel
a little
just
bit.
like yours against my arm. But his voice, it sounds
And then we can
nothing like
increase the
yours
contrast.
when you're telling me I'm wrong.
And we save it again. La, 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 la. Beautiful. Alright, anyways,
I sleep in agony, I sleep
let's go
alone.
back to this one. Yeah, what's wrong
Your
with the pitch?
hangman hands
Anyways,
have got me
pitch
cold.
pitch
Guess
approach.
you don't know.
It's
No,
0.5. Pitch approach.
Guess you'll never know. Now you don't know.
We say,
No,
oh,
no.
we
Now
want
you'll
to
never know.
make steps towards the pitch. Yeah, this is the
So
point.
I went back to the devil
The plus.
and told him everything
Oh,
I know.
actually, no, it's not the pitch.
Let him drink my blood
Target.
and feed me wine
Pitch.
in the TV glow.
So we have something like within
And
1
his
second.
hands, they feel just
Oh
like
no,
yours
we say basically
around my throat.
in 1 second we go all the way. If we
But
say
his
it's
voice, it sounds
So,
nothing
one.
like yours when you're begging me to come home.
1, 1.
So I went down to
One.
the
It takes
river
much
to
longer time.
wash away the things I've done. All the names I trace into my
Makes sense
skin
because
since you've been gone.
we're making much smaller steps. So maybe can we do this differently?
3 bullets in a wedding dress, and I know it killed me, but I love that boy to death. Felt it bad when he took those pills, saying ha ha ha, we're going straight to hell. The smell of sweat and sweetness
This
in
looks
your
good already.
room.
The
Yeah, I was
pitching is
scared, but what can you do? Turn around and tell me it's
Unfortunately.
okay. My hands still got the morphine
Let us
shake.
listen.
I'm
Why
alive, but I
is it
don't know
pitching
where I am. Wanna leave, but I
into
don't
that
know
direction?
if I can. Drop out of art school and spend my life in hotel bedroom. Think of some slow-mo crashing on the
Side
interstate.
0,
Think of some
side 1.
sleeping through a hurricane.
These two.
He's a violent man and his heart's decay. He's a liar, but I just can't stay away. And he's looking out the window every morning. When I get high in the bathroom, we're always on the upswing, baby. Frost painted our story yesterday. April to our deathbed, we're always on the upswing,
Side, of
baby.
course, it doesn't make sense. We want front. So maybe instead of this.
He's got a new girl and I'm sure that she's alright. He still calls me
Forward
late
way.
at night. Never meant to leave him here like this. Voicemail sings a fucking wreck. I'm still written in his arms. 6 years between the thing he wants. Nosebleeds like an
I wonder,
afterthought. Baby, don't breathe out.
why
It's
do
all
we-
we've
why
got.
do we have a
Live
minus
life on
here?
endless holiday.
We
So
calculate
fun, but
one
I've got
side and
bills to pay. I don't love
Side.
any of these men. Just wanna feel the most I can. And he's smoking out the window every morning.
can we use the side back here?
When I get high in the
Like,
bathroom,
when we say
always
side,
on the upswing, baby.
This
Frost painted
side.
our story yesterday.
back, right,
April to our deathbed,
copy.
we're always on the upswing, baby. Soft skin, press cold in sleep, sweet sleep, gentle. Hey baby, are you okay?
Were we calculating this from the roll? I mean, yeah, why not?
Coffee stains, radio
Let's try to copy it
slice my cardboard.
from this thing.
I love a boy who's made of
Oh, look at that.
April to our
I think
deathbed.
it's working.
We're always on the
Although
upswing,
it's moving
baby.
to the wrong direction. First we want the front to be on the other side. And then, of course, we're not happy about the terrain height. Forward. Forward. It's not forward anymore. Is something wrong? And right? Right works.
Daylight,
Right?
I dream of you softly.
And this?
I wrote
Well,
you
it's just in the
a
wrong
letter
direction.
that
So,
will never reach you.
forward. Wait.
In
Yeah.
Montreal,
Forward
the
way.
days are
I
much
think,
colder
yeah,
there.
if we go
Now
forward,
you grow older
we
there.
should. Maybe
Without
things
me
switched around because we switched the side.
on the lookout,
But,
baby, won't you look out? A car full of raccoons.
let's try to
I
switch
think
things
that
around.
I'm crazy.
If we go forward, we actually go forward.
Downtown,
Right,
the
so
bar
let's,
lights illuminate.
this,
Lost
yeah,
in
it
a
also means we turn to the
cityscape
right, turn to
where
the
I
left.
try to find
We're going
you.
forward, and now, what happens if we pitch?
You walk like
Yes,
a
we got it.
miracle, bathing in starlight. Your voice burning holes in the frame. I danced in the parking lot, cried
think
in
we
the
also need,
taxi home,
We need,
'cause I
we need a way to
still
get lower,
remembered
get
your
closer to the
name.
terrain.
And oh, I'm not in love anymore, anymore. But I will keep you close.
Let's try with touch.
To me
I can press another button.
forever. Moonlight, I dream of you endlessly, drowning in reverie, waiting for moments. Dim light, I'm drunk at the bar again, holding a stranger's hand, a crowd with no faces.
What is this? Why do we get this?
And there you are, beautiful, just like the first time you reach out. I'm shaking again. You're gone in a moment. You leave me alone, but I swear you were real in my hands. And oh, I'm not in love anymore, but I will keep you close to me forever.
Maybe
Well, I
something
know
like this.
these words might mean nothing now. I'm stuck in this ghost town. Your softness still haunts me. Someday I'll find my way out of here if you don't change your mind, my dear.